Hey everyone! Today we'll be showing you how to open FLV files on Windows using VLC Media Player. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. If you've ever come across FLV files and wondered how to play them on your Windows PC, VLC Media Player is the answer. It's a versatile and free media player that supports a wide range of file formats, including FLV. The first thing you'll need to do is download VLC Media Player if you don't have it installed already. You can find the download link in the description below. Now that you have VLC installed, let's open it up. You can either go to Media in the top left corner and choose Open File, or you can drag and drop your FLV file directly into the VLC window. As you can see, playing an FLV file in VLC is as simple as opening any other media file. VLC automatically recognizes and plays FLV files without any additional plugins or settings.